Hello there, humans. It is I, Oasi. And here's Honey. So today we are going to talk about my website. But first, a word from our sponsor. My website. So if you've been following my channel for the past, I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks or so, I'm pretty sure you'll have seen, or at least, seen, if not heard, me talk about this website. And it is my passion project, my child, if you will. And we're going to be talking about how you can get into the working spirit. It's free and easy. All you need is a username, email, and password, and that is exactly what you'll see on this screen. And I already have a little account on here, so I'll just go ahead and skip that process for you. And you'll get a little email here in a minute. I tried recording this video like 2 or 3 times already. Please help. Send help. And you'll get a little code like this right here. You can just simply copy and paste. And you'll be presented with the home screen. And that's why I'm over here in this corner here, because everything you'll be seeing mostly will show up over here. On mobile, it'll literally all be centered in the middle of the screen, but this is a desktop with a bigger screen, so this is what we deal with. So the first things first, you'll see your name up here, and then you'll see your skill tags. And basically all you do is put in whatever your skills are, whether it's writing, art, music, graphic design, 3D modeling, whatever, so on and so forth. You put that here, and then you'll be able to find jobs tailored to your skills down here in the feed. And next up we have Ghost Coin. This is what you get paid with. As you can see here, it is worth 0.9 USD, meaning 90 cents. And you can cash out once you reach 100 Ghost Coin, meaning you'll get a check of $90 in your mail, or in your email. Specifically your email. You don't send physical mail because obviously we don't have your address. That wasn't in the form that you filled out. But yeah, and then down here you have your little account and settings area with this cool little theme button here. When you click on it, it changes the background colors. Whoa. It starts off in the light mode when you first sign up, but that little theme button is right there. Real simple. And then here you get 10 Ghost Coin when someone creates a post or signs up with your referral code, which down here you can copy and paste it into your Twitter or Instagram, Facebook, wherever you share your thoughts and your burgers. And then that brings us to the create post area. Here you obviously fill in the information for what type of post you want to create. The email is usually already filled in for you because we already have that information off of you. We're going to steal the rest of your data and sell it to big corporate giants for profit. And then you put in the description. The more detail, the better, because obviously how are you going to ask somebody to do something for you if they don't know what you want them to do? And right under that, the skill tags. And that's what those skill tags on the profile page are for, because here you're gonna put in the information specifically for who you want to do the job. If you want the artist to do the job for you, you put art down here. You could put art, graphic design. You could specifically put logo design or whatever if you want someone to design your logos. But you wouldn't put this stuff under a resume, because you don't want a logo designer writing your resume unless they happen to also be good at writing resumes. And then you can fill out select the type of document you want them to do, and you could go down here for literally any other type of digital media, but we have specific ones for paper page, paper words, for if you're writing a document, or if you're having somebody write a document for you, like a resume or a letter or something. You could pick art and graphic design, music and recording, PowerPoint, slideshow, Excel, spreadsheet, just about anything you could think of. If it can be shared digitally, it can be done on this website. Then down here you choose options, which is literally, it's usually just going to be the specific price. And the minimum price on everything is $5, but you could always go higher. And especially if you want to receive 5 extra ghost coin, because the thing is about the ghost coin is if you have enough ghost coin to cover the price of whatever post you create, then that will cover then that will be used instead of you actually using your credit card information. And down here you can paste that reference code from earlier, and then the person who gave you the reference code will get paid just a little bit extra. And that's about all there is. And one small little feature here, where it says click to switch views, you see your feed here, which obviously there's nothing here for now because I don't really have any users, unless you want to sign up and start making some money or something. And once you click here, you get to see your projects. So once you've created some projects, then you'll see those projects here, and you'll see the status of whether they've been accepted or completed or anything like that. That way you're just not left in the dark about what's going on behind the scenes, if somebody's looking at your project or not. Because that would be very that'd be very uncomfortable, I guess. But yeah. And one last thing, just to put your mind at ease, we have a secure payment system. Basically, we never handle your financial info. We let the big dogs take care of that so we can focus on helping you get into the working spirit. Because and the way that happens is I use Stripe and Checkbook. Stripe to accept payments and Checkbook to pay the people that use the website. And that is because my focus is making freelancing accessible to the novice and experienced alike, making the playing field even for all. And that should wrap up today's video. I'm gonna hit you with that like and subscribe to help this channel grow. If you got any suggestions, let your boy know. And remember, carpe diem ad infinitum. I finally got that right. Took me like 5 million tries, but yeah, I think I did it. Yeah. Much love.